Today, I'm excited to show you a beautiful single-family home located in Inspirada, one of the most popular master-planned communities in Henderson. The address is 2713 Abrance Place, Henderson, Nevada, 89044. If you have been looking for a newer home that is easy to maintain, close to a park, and still reasonably priced for the Henderson real estate market, then you definitely need to take a closer look at this property. This home is currently listed at $400,000. Built in 2023, it offers approximately 1,547 square feet of living space, with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms, and an attached 2-car garage. As soon as you enter the home, the first thing you will notice is how bright, open, and functional it feels. The first floor features a modern, open-concept design. The spacious front living room provides plenty of room for a large sofa, television, and entertainment center. Whether you enjoy watching movies, entertaining friends, or simply spending time with your family, this is a very comfortable and inviting space. The main floor is finished with attractive, easy-to-clean luxury vinyl flooring. Compared with carpet, this type of flooring looks more modern, is easier to maintain, and is especially practical for the Las Vegas lifestyle. The kitchen features quartz countertops and stainless steel appliances, creating a clean and contemporary look. It connects naturally with the main living area, allowing you to cook while still talking with family members or guests in the living room. Upstairs, you will find all 3 bedrooms. The primary bedroom includes its own private bathroom. The other 2 bedrooms can be used as children's rooms, guest rooms, or the home office that so many buyers need today. There is also a separate laundry room upstairs. This may seem like a small detail, but it is extremely convenient. Because all of the bedrooms are upstairs, you do not have to carry heavy loads of laundry up and down the stairs. Another great feature of this home is the private side yard. The side yard has already been finished with pavers and designed for low-maintenance living. You will not need to spend a lot of time caring for grass, and you will not have to invest a large amount of money after moving in to complete the landscaping. There is plenty of room for outdoor furniture, a barbecue grill, or a comfortable seating area where you can create your own private outdoor retreat. However, one of the most special features of this property may not be inside the home, it may be the location. As soon as you step outside the front door, you can enjoy a beautiful view of Montagna Park. This is not a home where you need to drive several miles to reach a park. The park is truly right outside your front door. You can take a morning walk, spend time outside with your children in the evening, or enjoy outdoor activities with your family on the weekend. Homes located near parks are always highly desirable because they offer more than just a nice view.
They provide a healthier, more relaxing, and more convenient lifestyle. Now, let's talk about the Inspirada community. Inspirada is not just another typical housing development. It is one of the largest and most thoughtfully designed master-planned communities in Henderson. One of Inspirada's greatest attractions is its collection of large community parks. Swimming pools, children's play areas, sports facilities, and walking and biking trails that connect different parts of the neighborhood. Inspirada currently offers 5 resident swimming pools located at Aventura, Atessa, Potenza, Sentiero, and Solista parks. Community amenities also include resident activity centers, barbecue areas, shaded pavilions, picnic areas, game tables, children's playgrounds, and an outdoor amphitheater. Residents who enjoy sports can take advantage of basketball courts, tennis courts, volleyball courts, soccer fields, multi-purpose sports fields, baseball fields, and dog parks. Those who enjoy walking, jogging, or bicycling can explore miles of community trails and open spaces throughout Inspirada. Inspirada also regularly hosts a variety of community events. When you live here, you are not simply purchasing a house. You have the opportunity to meet your neighbors, participate in community activities, help your children make friends, and enjoy a true sense of community and belonging. The Inspirada Community Association also keeps residents informed about neighborhood events and community news through its resident website and weekly newsletters. In terms of location, Inspirada is situated in the southern part of Henderson. It offers a peaceful and well-maintained environment while still providing convenient access to St. Rose Parkway, Interstate 15, shopping centers, restaurants, medical facilities, and the Las Vegas Strip. So, who would be the ideal buyer for this home? First, it is a great choice for a first-time homebuyer who wants to live in one of Henderson's most desirable master-planned communities. Second, it is ideal for buyers who prefer a newer home with fewer immediate maintenance concerns. Third, it is an excellent option for families who want to live near parks, swimming pools, playgrounds, and outdoor recreational facilities. Fourth, it is also a good fit for retirees or investors who want the privacy of a single-family home and a two-car garage without the higher maintenance costs of a much larger property. Because this home was built in 2023, many practical upgrades have already been completed, and the side yard is already finished. Compared with purchasing a brand new home directly from a builder, you do not have to wait several months for construction, and you do not need to spend a large amount of money after closing to complete basic improvements. What you see is what you can buy. So, call me ASAP for video FaceTime or in-person showing today. 702-334-7767, Ramon Wu.